Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise for, technically it's for all levels depending on the tempo, but the level that we're doing today, because of the tempo we're going to do it at, I would say is intermediate advanced. But this can be done at all levels, so if you're going to bring this to one of your classes, if you're a teacher, slow it down. It's great for beginners too, because it's really just flaps and steps and digs and heels. That's what we're doing today. Flaps and steps and digs and heels. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. It's 4 parts, very long parts. So it's actually a very long combination, but we got this, all right? So it's flap, heel, so and a 1 and a 2. The rhythm of this, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. That's the rhythm that we're going to be working with. I feel like it helps to just have that in your head as we start. So you start with 2 flap heels. Then it's shuffle, step, heel, stamp. And you're going to do it kind of in a pas de bourrée foot pattern. Shuffle, step, heel, stamp. So you're going to go back, side. You don't have to do it that way. You can do it shuffle, step, heel, stamp. That's fine too. I like the pas de bourrée pattern because it reminds me of where I am. So, the first part of that, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Then you're going to do it on the left, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. So let's try right and then left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. Awesome. One more time just to make sure we got it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Then 4 times you're just going to do the shuffle, step, heel, stamp, shuffle, step, heel, stamp, shuffle, step, heel, stamp, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Just 4 times. Okay? So the first part is the flap, heel, and a shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Second part is just shuffle, step, heel, stamp, 4 times. Let's put both of those parts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, and a 2. Shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Shuffle, step, heel, stamp. 2, 3, 4. Nice. The hardest thing is getting evenness of sound. Da, 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 da. So you really want to make sure people aren't going, or unless you want to put a swing on it, then you're going to have to change the rhythm, find a swingy song, and instruct your students. Give it a swing rhythm this time. So today we're doing straight rhythm, but you can do what you want with this. All right, so that's the first part and the second part. First part, and then just for the second part, okay? Third section, we have shuffle, step, heel, stamp. So now you're just adding 4 more step heels and taking up that much space. And 11, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Now I'm giving this a pattern for the feet, again, because it helps me know where I am. I'm going shuffle in, out, in, out. You can give it any pattern you want to, but for the purpose of this video, the first pattern is pas de bourrée, second pattern goes in and out. Now don't go too far out because it's going to be really hard to keep even. So I would say here and then just maybe outside your hips. So 6 step heels, shuffle, 6 step heels, and a stamp. Ready? And you do that right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of? Let's try that one more time. So this is the third section. Shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Shuffle, step, heel, stamp. That's a lot. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So that's part 1, part 2, part 3. We can put them together. There's one more part after that, but let's put these together. from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. And go 1, and go 2, and go 3, and go 4, and go 5, and go 6, and go 7, and go 8. Not bad, not bad. There's one more section. Let me just wake the computer up one more time. One more section. We have the same exact thing that we just did. But instead of just step heels, it's going to be shuffle, step, heel, dig, step, step, heel, stamp. This is the most challenging one. So you have shuffle, step, heel, dig, step, dig, step, step, heel, step. That's part of why we did the in-out pattern, because it prepares you to step on those a little outward, because if you do those inward, they're a little harder to control. So we're going to do same pattern, but we replace the middle two with big toe, big toe. So that last part's going to be shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, dig, step, dig, step, Can we try it? Okay, just the last line, then we'll add it to the whole thing, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. The faster the tempo, the harder it is to keep these even. So enjoy that challenge when you get it faster. All right, let's try the whole thing, and then we will set it to some music and have some fun. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And go 1, and go 2, and go 3, and go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go 1, and go 2. It's a lot to keep track of. Hopefully I have put enough of the wording here. It's probably shorthand, but do your best with it. And let's try it to some music, huh? Okay, so I really wanted to use this song, but I had to slow it way down to get it to a decent tempo. It's gonna be a little faster than we were just going, but it's okay, we got this. The worst that happens is it's not that great the first time we do it, right? And then we build up, we build up. You can take this song and speed it up, slow it down, whatever you need. Use any song you want. I just really liked the song and wanted to use it, so I slowed it down to about 80% original tempo. So, but yeah, let's have some fun. It's gonna be fine. Hold on to that tempo, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to keep your weight evenly distributed between both feet. That's going to help you stay even, okay? Let's try it again. Ready? Get that music in your body. 5, 6, 7, 8. Funsies, one last time. All right, what do I always say for the last time? Pretty much what I just said. Just for funsies. Make it fun. Have fun with it. Push yourself, but have fun with it. so challenging. So if you were able to handle that, I think I just tripped, but it's fine. If you were able to handle that, you did great today. That is very challenging, especially if you're trying to keep it perfectly even. I had a lot of fun with you today with this technique exercise. I hope you liked it. If you like exercises like this, hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments. If you ever have specific steps you want me to do with an exercise, write that down in the comments. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, choreography, step tutorials, vlogs, challenges, all kinds of stuff. I upload new videos every single week, so you have new content to learn every single week. So definitely subscribe. This is your online tap studio, and it's all free. So yeah, cool. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you like this. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.